Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll introduce ray-traced 3D. Let's begin! Let's start! After Effects has classic 3D and ray-traced 3D renderers that output 3D layers. With ray-traced 3D, you can output a 3D layer with high quality. Ray tracing is a rendering method that automatically calculates and outputs the reflection and refraction when the light emitted hits an object. You can create a very high quality texture to the 3D layer when using this function. To switch renderers, click Renderer in the upper right corner of the composition panel. When the composition settings window opens, click the 3D Renderer tab and set the renderer to Ray-Traced 3D. Click the Options button to display the Ray-Traced 3D renderer options. You can adjust the ray tracing quality here. If you increase the ray tracing quality value, the quality of the output will increase, but it takes time to process and takes a lot of load on your computer, so please consider the processing power of your computer before setting it up. Next, you can select Box, Tent, or Cubic in the Anti-Aliasing filter. The box has the lowest quality and the cubic has the highest quality. Next, let's make the text layer three-dimensional using Ray-Traced 3D. Create a text layer and enter the text you want to convert into 3D. On the timeline panel, turn on the 3D layer switch in the text layer. If you have a background layer, don't forget to turn on the 3D layer. To make the text layer three-dimensional, adjust the extrusion depth value in the geometry options. You can make the text three-dimensional by adjusting the value of the extrusion depth property. If you just adjust the extrusion depth of the 3D layer, the text will only become thicker. So let's put a light on it to create a shadow and improve the texture. Create and add a light layer to the timeline panel. By adding a layer of parallel light, the text has a shadow like this and the texture has improved. Next, let's change the shape of the 3D for the text. You can change the shape of the bevel by changing the bevel style, whole bevel depth, and extrusion depth from geometry options. Bevel styles are available in 4 shapes: none, angular, concave, and convex. If the bevel style is set to none, this is what it looks like. If the bevel style is set to angular, this is what it looks like. If the bevel style is set to concave, this is what it looks like. If the bevel style is set to convex, this is what it looks like. You can adjust the depth of the bevel by adjusting bevel depth. In the material options of the Ray-Traced 3D, there are a variety of properties such as reflection, transparency, and index of refraction to enhance the texture of the 3D layer. Click the Material Options property in the 3D text layer to expand it. Let's start by adjusting the transparency value for the Materials option. Increase the value to make the 3D text transparent. If you adjust transparency, the 3D text layer will be displayed like this. Index of refraction can adjust the refraction index of light when transparency is set. If you adjust the index of refraction, it will appear like this. Adjust the spectacular intensity and spectacular shininess to make the text look like a mirror or glass. Then it will appear like this. This is the end of the introduction to Ray-Traced 3D. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.